Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 5, Lesson 11. And in this lesson we're talking about being able to recognize the halves within a circle, their face clock, and tell to the half hour. So looking at this, we know that the shorthand is our hour hand. Because we know by looking at a clock, if we're going to show it on a digital clock, we know the minute hand goes after this colon. Then we know that there's this long hand right there. That tells us the minutes. Okay, so we know that the 12 says the O, that o'clock. Well, the 6, if the long hand is on the 6, it says 30. Okay, so looking at this, the hour hand is actually passed up 5 a little bit. Well, I'm going to show you kind of like a little trick. You actually sing hickory dickory dock, and you start from the hour hand. And you go hickory dickory dock. The mouse around the clock's around forward, and went boom! Up, it hits it, and so now it's going to go to that 5. So the mouse went around, and then it hit this wall right here. And so it went back to that 5. So it is 5, and the long hand is on the 6, which is actually 30, because you know the minute hands have a secret numbers that they use. So we know that is 30. So we know it is 5:30. All right, that's it for this video.